Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I need something to hold that down. You, get on there, thank you. And I've put some black paint over it. What I would like to do is just try something a little bit different with a swipe. So I have some probably a quarter of a cup of white paint. These are leftovers from a previous pour, and I'm just going to put them in. I'm going to swipe with black and a little squirt of my 3-in-1 silicone and some green. Whoops, that went over there, that's okay. And a bit more blue. Rather like the blue and the green together. And I think there's a smidgen. Okay. So, as I said, I'm going to swipe this. Oh, that's the green I spilled, isn't that funny? I'm going to just pour this on. And that's quite pretty. That over there. I'm just going to have rather a lot of paint, but it'll all come good in the wash. And I want to swipe it with black, as I said. Right, that's really pretty on its own. Almost a shame to swipe it, but that's what's going to happen. And I think I'll do a centre swipe, mainly because I like them. And I put too much black on, but that's okay too. Where's my cloth? And up the right way. Here we go. Oh, looking good. Some of these lovely colours on the sides. And there's way too much paint there, so I'm going to do a tilt before too many cells pop up. See if I can't get some more of those dribbles going down. Yes. Working very nicely for me. Oh, I can't believe it. It's gorgeous. It will be in a minute. There you go. That is what I'm keeping. Oh, yes. All right, I'm going to wash my hands and torch it. That's what I have to do. So, the recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find below the video under show more, and there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. And turn on please. torching that anymore. Where possible, I'd like that to sort of stay as it is, but I've got, oh, it's really nice. Okay, so, I like it. I'm going to bring you down to take a look, and yeah, that's definitely being left alone. If I go fiddling with it, I know me, I won't stop until it's ruined. But that is really, really pretty. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And if you click the little bell beside that word, you'll be notified when I put up more videos, which I try to do each day. And I mingle them up a bit so I get different techniques where possible. If you have anything you'd like me to try, just leave a note in the comments box below the video and I will try to accommodate, or any colours you might like to see put together. So please give this one the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one, or over Australia Art Dreaming. Yeah, bye for now.